Letter to the student. Dear pupil, now that you have completed the 96 lessons, you have learnt enough English to be able to talk. Of course, you cannot yet discuss all the great problems of the world, but you are certainly ready to talk about the simple things of daily life here and abroad. Does that mean you know so much that it will not be necessary to go on studying? Certainly not. A language demands constant application and practice. There are three things you must give your attention to in order to perfect your English. The first thing is vocabulary. You cannot talk if you do not know enough words to put your ideas together. And the best way to acquire a good vocabulary is to read. We suggest that you start with simplified editions specially made for foreign students. They can be found in all good bookshops in a big city. If you live in a small town, ask your book dealer to order them for you. The simplified editions are usually classified in stages. Start with stage 1 books and read, read, read. The second thing is structures. As you read, observe how the sentences are constructed, then close the book and try to reproduce each paragraph in writing. Compare your composition with the printed text. The third thing is courage. You must talk, and you can only learn to talk by talking. Don't be timid. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. It is not shameful to make mistakes in a foreign language. It is a wonderful thing that you can speak it. So, talk, talk, talk. To tourists in the shop, to your friends, to foreign residents, to your own self if there is nobody else. Train your mind to think in English. And always see an American or English film twice. The second time you see it, do not read the subtitles. You will be surprised to see how much you will understand. So roll up your sleeves. The end of the journey is near. Sincerely,